Welcome to another edition. This next edition is we're going to actually build a raised vegetable garden. So the first thing we have to do is we have to decide on what materials we need. I'm going to build it out of 4x4s and 2x8s. And the way this is going to work is we're going to build the box with 2x8s, and we're going to use the 4x4s as corner supports. So the materials that we're going to need is, here's our area in a rough estimate. We're going to need 6 4x4x8s, 10 2x8x8s, box of 3-inch deck screws, 100 feet of chicken wire, 2 gate hinges, and 15 bags of topsoil. So this is a big project. However, if you want to do this at home, if you have just a small patio or a porch that gets sunshine, you can do the same type of raised garden using a bucket like this, filling it with topsoil and putting your seeds in there. Depending on what you're growing, whether it's lettuce or carrots or anything else, you can fill this bucket up, or you can buy the long tubs of the for the flower gardens that you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's. If you're going to fill this up, you can fill this up to this point with the topsoil, and instead of having straight rows for your vegetables, you can actually do them in a circle and get 2 circles. If you're going to do carrots, you want to have at least 6 to 8 inches of dirt. So you can use a bucket, or you can use a 5-gallon bucket or anything. Drill some holes in the bottom if you're going to do that. Put a couple of bricks or a couple of rocks in the bottom, and then put the topsoil on top, and then keep it in the sun, and I will see you in the shop.